Welcome to Purépecha Ranch, where every meal is a story and every day brings us closer to the land and our traditions. Today, I'm sharing how I prepare a simple, delicious brisket, a perfect Saturday meal that will last us 2 days. While we don't serve our food to visitors, we love sharing the journey of ranch life and the blessings it brings. I start by gathering everything I need: 1 bottle of Modelo Special Dark, a small can of La Morana chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, a large can of crushed tomatoes, half a head of garlic, 1 large onion, and seasonings: salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic, and onion powder to taste. Living on the ranch has taught me to appreciate every ingredient, especially when it comes to seasoning our own grass-fed cows. I use a fruit peeler to peel the garlic, then chop it with a hand mixer chopper to a grainy texture. Garlic is the heart of this recipe, adding warmth and depth to the brisket. Next, I blend the crushed tomatoes, beer, chipotle peppers, and brown sugar until smooth. This sauce is rich and smoky, a perfect complement to our ranch-raised beef. I peel and slice the onion into medium slices. Simple steps like this remind me how ranch life is about slowing down and savoring the process. I place the brisket in a cast iron Dutch oven, seasoning each side generously. I spread the chopped garlic on top and layer on the sliced onions. These small rituals connect us to our heritage and the wisdom passed down by our elders. I pour the blended mixture over the meat. With a fork, I gently lift the brisket so the sauce gets underneath. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the Dutch oven inside and cook for 3 hours. The aroma fills the ranch, a reminder of the hard work and blessings that come with raising our own food. After 3 hours, I remove the lid and cook for another 20 minutes. The brisket comes out tender and rich with flavor. This brisket pairs beautifully with rice and vegetables. It's a meal that brings family together and reminds us of the abundance we enjoy. Living on a ranch is truly a gift. We honor our ancestors, care for the earth, and create lasting memories. Whether you're visiting for a tour or a party, we hope you feel the love and tradition in everything we do. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. May your own meals be filled with joy, gratitude, and a taste of ranch life.